We just received the biggest order that we've ever had, and I'm not stoked. Let me explain. See, I woke up this morning and thought it was gonna be a chill day, but this thing chose violence.
So here I am ready to start the day. I turn on the PC and the printer, and this happens.
Software warning 003004. That's the error code. Printer and PC disconnect.
So we spent a bit of time trying to figure out what's going on. We think the main board got fried, and I still have to confirm this, but we just know we are screwed for the day. Will we be able to ship out this order in time? Only one way to find out.
Let's make t-shirts.
So here we are again with another printer issue. I feel like all I've done in the past 2 months is troubleshoot and fix them. Here I'm showing you the back and forth that's going on between DTF Superstore and myself, which led to the diagnosis that I need to change the main board. Unfortunately, the replacement board will not arrive until tomorrow, and we have about 800 feet of transfers to print out today.
This giant order came in. They paid their shirt, next day ship out fee. So we got to get this out tomorrow, and they need it by Friday. So I guess we're going to try to print out 500 feet with the little printer that can. Josiah, quick question. How many feet have you done so far of this big order?
I think it's 35
35 feet.
out of 500.
So the plan is this. Tita is gonna print until about midnight tonight, and then Anne's gonna take her place until about 3 in the morning, and then we're gonna stop printing. So we'll have another 7 hours of printing at 20, so we should be able to do 140 feet, and then we can restart again tomorrow at about 7 until 10:30 in the morning. Will give us about another 60 feet, so that's 200. If we can get the mongoose running, that means we're gonna have 300 feet more to do, and 300 feet divided by 60, that's 40 per hour on the Auric and 20 per hour on the Audley. So it's gonna be another 5 hours. So in theory, get both of the printers working tomorrow, then we should be done by 5 p.m. All right, well, I'm gonna rest for a little bit. I'm gonna check in with Supermom Sai in about 2 hours, around 10 p.m. to see how she's doing. By the way, she's been printing since this morning as well, but she's a super trooper, and she was like, heck yeah, let's do it. So her first, and then Anne, and then I have to sleep tonight because I have to have a clear, fresh head when we fix that printer tomorrow. It's, if you can see that, 11:48 p.m. Sai gonna exchange spots. Sai's gonna go home. Let's go check out what's happening. Tita Sai, how we doing? So, Boya Bunda. How many feet we got so far?
140.
140?
Yeah.
Dang, pretty good. That's really good. We were at 90 before at 10 o'clock, right? So that's pretty good. Okay. So she got another 50 feet. She's about to go home. Wow. How many feet you doing tonight?
50.
50 feet? How many hours? 2 hours? 3?
Wow. 12.
All right, she's gonna be doing another 2 hours, 50 feet. So at the end of her shift, we're gonna be at 200. We're still gonna need 310. Oh, man. All right, it's now almost 1 o'clock, as you can see, and I'm tired. Anne's tired, but she's still going at it. I'm gonna get some sleep because I have a long and very early day tomorrow. Like I said, I gotta keep my mind fresh for when we replace that part tomorrow. So it is time for me to catch some Z's, and I'll catch you when I wake up. Good morning. It is 7:40. Just woke up. What time did you finish last night?
3:30.
3:30. And how many feet did you do? 70 feet. That's pretty good. So I got 150 feet. She got 70, so we're at 220. We're almost halfway there. Hopefully we get the other printer working so we can get everything out, including the order for today, by the end of the day. Breathe there. And just as a reference, it's about 9:41. How many feet we got so far? 20 feet since we started. So probably around 240 feet at this point. First thing we're gonna do before we replace this board, because of all the connections, we're gonna take a picture. All right, next thing we're gonna do is we are going to turn it off, turn off the PC, unplug everything, and then we are going to replace that board. So we got the old board out, and we're not gonna throw it away because my friend said he might be able to fix it. But we'll keep it there. In the meantime, I'm over here. I dropped one of the screws in here with my big thumbs, so we're trying to find it before we do any more stuff with this thing. There you go. All right, we got the screw right here. And now the scary parts. I keep on almost dropping it because my thumbs are too big. One goes at the top. There. Y goes in here. X goes in here. Oh, this thing here goes in here.
What is he doing?
Just kidding.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
This one goes down here to the right. And this one goes up there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we're all hooked up. As you can see there that everything should be in the right place. I'm gonna double check, but once we're good to go, we're gonna start it up and hope for the best. Ready? All right, let's do it. And now we're gonna plug in this Ethernet cable, which is connected on the other side to laptop. I mean, to the PC. You ready to turn it off? Let's go. She's plugging it in. Are you plugged in? All right, turn it on. Turn both of them on. It's okay. There's no power?
What make that? On with that.
Oh, yeah. There's no power because I turned the main switch off. I'm gonna turn it on. Go. Oh my God. It's lighting up. So it's lighting up now. I don't know what's going on. We have, is it blinking? All right, we're gonna see what's happening. But right now on the board, we have this at A, that was at 0 to 1. We have 2 lights here, just like before. All the same lights are powering up. One big difference is this Ethernet light was solid and the old board is flickering, as you can see there. So there, that means there's communication between the two, I think. Waiting on the tang. There we go. All right, check this out. We got, we're connected right here. That's a green and it says device ready. And when we click on the status, it's loading all the parameters and all that good stuff. We're good to go. But here's the thing. We don't have the right settings yet. I'm currently on the phone with Josiah, the Superstore. And he's going to team viewer in. So he's going to take control of my computer so that he can put in all the DTF Superstore settings. And then we'll probably still need to calibrate, but progress. Okay, so we got it running. We have some lights, not 100% yet, but we need to calibrate. And while we're calibrating, this happens. Always something. So we're going to calibrate the printers right now, or the printer. We're going to calibrate it right now. And if you want to know how to do it on Print DXP, I think we have one other video from way back where we did that already. So just check our playlist for that. But we're going to do that right now. Ma, you ready to go? Paolo, you ready? Yeah. And it's about to go crazy. You can get the side. You ready?
Yeah, yes.
Let's go. All right, quick update and mega fail. It's now 6:07. We finally finished tweaking that thing, the settings, but we're not going to be able to ship out the whole order. However, we did print out what was it, like 250 something feet last night, this right here. So we're gonna ship that out. She paid for 2-day air shipping. So the plan is we're gonna ship this out 2-day air. It's gonna get to her on Friday. And the rest of her order, we're gonna print out tonight and ship it out tomorrow. But we're gonna ship it out next day air. So the gang sheets that haven't been printed yet, we're gonna print them out tonight, ship them out tomorrow. And she's gonna get them before she even gets it. Yeah, how's it going? All right, we're gonna ship this out now. First half of this order. So we're going to USPS for this one. Thank you. That's that. We still have that other half that we need to print out. And we have a whole bunch more orders. So guess what? It's going to be our second night of no sleep tonight. Woo, we go do DTF. It's fun. All right, 6:10 in the morning, and we woke up quite early today, earlier than usual, because we weren't able to finish those 150 something feet last night. Check this out. This is from the Mongoose, so check out those colors, and check this one out. This one's from the Oddly. These are the right colors, but for some reason, this one's coming out darker. I've tried to adjust the colors and all that stuff, but I can't seem to get it, even with the Nicks. So we're taking out the big guns, and we're going to adjust this. So the plan is to just keep busting out prints on this, and then I've got a bigger piece of equipment that we just got a couple of weeks ago. Haven't used it. It's from Pantone X-Rite, and it's supposed to calibrate printers more accurately. So we'll see how that works out, and that's going to be a totally separate video how we review that and all that. But we're going to try it out because we need these colors to be accurate. Oh, man. Fun times for sure. All right. Time is now 12:26. Third day. That's embarrassing. Third day of trying to get that 510-foot order out. Supermom side, how we doing with the order? We got it done? We got it done. Well, she got it done, not us. So we're going to pack it up. We're going to ship it today, and then we're going to be good to go. Let's do it. We finally got that figured out. Good job, Mama. Good job, Supermom. Sai, high five. So we're going to ship that out later together with the rest of the stuff. It's going to arrive on schedule. Actually, that one a little bit earlier because that's going to get to her by noon tomorrow. The package that we shipped out yesterday will get to her by 11 p.m. tomorrow. We spent an extra, like, I don't know, maybe $75 on it so we can ship it out next day air. But it is what it is. Important thing is we got that order figured out. We got it shipped out. It is going to arrive right on time for her. That's it for today. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to sort out the colors in this. Watch out for that video, and let's make t-shirts.